Hey folks, Vortex here, welcome to my review of the Blon B50, and this is what it came in, so no box, no nothing, just this carrier case with a handle. So yeah, as usual, full disclaimers, I'd like to thank Linsol for sending me this to try. I was not paid to do this video, and all thoughts and opinions are my own, and these are priced I think around $120 as of this video. And yeah, let's just see what you get. So not much to say, and these are a closed back pair of headphones, which you'll see. And yeah, just see in the next clip. So not much to do really. Probably one of the quickest unboxings ever. So obviously comes in this. These are, to be honest, quite big. These are really big headphones. They're much larger in real life. So I've got smallish hands. These are massive, but seem to be metal. Obviously leather strap. Yeah, not much swivel. Again, huge cans. You can screw them off if you want. Really soft pads. Obviously left and right. Dual 3.5s. And the cable. So obviously I'll have a good look at that when I get to use it. Yeah, and I'll see what this is like. So these are a obviously closed back pair of cans, meant to be easy to power. Blon, I've had a bit of a mixed bag of kind of life. Everybody knows the O3, and yeah, so I've not tried these yet, and that's all they come with. So yeah, really short unboxing. So I'm going to obviously spend some good time with them, see what they're like, and yeah, I'll see you in the future. Yeah, so welcome to my review of the Blon B50 headphones. To show the cable first, right angled. It is quite flexible, the cable's not too bad. It is a little bit microphonic though, so bear that in mind. Y split, the metal one, super loose, which doesn't really do anything. And yes, straight into the 3.5, and you can see L and R. And that's it really, so it's not too bad. Just a bit, but if you're sitting, you're not really moving, it's less of a problem. So actually onto the headphones themselves, as you can see, these things are massive. So design of them, they do look good, but let's get straight on to build quality. So on the whole, it is okay. But one thing I noticed, if you can see on camera, see here where my finger is, right there. It's like the clear coat, the lacquer, there's a run in it, so the quality control isn't that great. You can just see there. Apart from that, they are okay. I think it seems to be like built from a lot of things just available. Like an AliExpress or something like that, but on the whole they are okay. So comfort, now these things are massive, which isn't good or bad, but the pads are super soft, and that's good if you're a glasses user like I am sometimes. It's comfortable for glasses users. One thing to know is the size. I'm an adult, but I have a slightly smaller head. I'm on the smallest. I can just about get away with these. I'd want smaller adjustment, so that's one thing to bear in mind. So this is the adjustment on it. So that's as far as they go, which is, you can see, okay. So 0 to basically like 6.5. So if you've got a larger head, you should be fine. There's no swivel, as you can see. So that's one thing to bear in mind. Obviously dual 3.5s, and that's pretty much it really. Again, it's the build and the design's okay. If it had swivel, it'd be okay. Isolation was decent. Again, they are closed back, so bear that in mind. There's some holes here for venting. I don't know what they actually do, or if they do much, but yeah, they're not too bad at all for like that. Same for power and sensitivity. These are super easy to power. You can power this up anything. If your phone is garbage, this will power them. Now onto the worst part, the sound. So these are $120, and they don't, to be honest, they don't sound very good at all. So I haven't seen a graph of these, but it sounds like when Blon made them and designed them, they never really tuned them, if you understand what I mean. They just put it all together, and that's it. Like nobody's done anything with the tuning, so they're not very good. So let's talk about the best part of them, which I'd say maybe it might be the bass. The bass is okay, but it still sounds kind of lifeless. Mid-range on this just sounds like all over the place. So vocals, same thing. And a lot of the stuff in the mid-range sound like it's half missing. Same for the treble. It's like it's either really sharp or half your instruments are like not there. It's just the tuning on these overall is just all over the shop, and I can't really recommend them. Now these are $120, and I should be much better for it. So Blon don't seem to do a very good job of headphones, which is a shame because obviously from their BL03 they came a household name with the Opity and Driams, but it seems like those days are actually long gone. And yeah, mid-range is just not very good. The treble on these is not very good. It can be super fatiguing, or you're missing half what you're supposed to be listening to. Now you only notice that when you switch to a proper pair of headphones or IEMs, and you can actually hear all your music again. So yeah, bit of a shame really, but it is what it is. Yeah, so these are $120. You can pick something better, to be honest. Now they should have spent more time with R&D, to be honest, because it's all over the place. Now maybe your last resort to try and fix these is probably some EQ maybe, but I didn't really try it. I was just kind of disappointed really with what they are. Resolution on this is not very good. Soundstage is not very good, and imaging's not very good. So it's fortunately these are DOA really, kind of a really poor choice. So yeah, I'll probably just end it there. So conclusion is I don't recommend these at all. There's much better options out there, either from the German competition or maybe even something like the Takstar Pro 82. That might even be a better option. I've never tried it, but these are closed back set of cans. And yeah, I'll just end it there. It's a bit of a shame really that they're just not very good. Yeah, poor extension as well. So I'll probably just end the video there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.